Did I make it? Is it still 2024? Okay, 3 weeks left to spare. Finally, the world's hottest beef jerky 2024 edition finally drops. This celebrates our 3rd year of dropping the world's hottest, and this one is no punk. Most of you guys wanted this one even hotter. You've made your bed, now lie in it. And I'm telling you right now, this one is not for the faint of heart. We tried many different versions this year. Some of them good, some of them great, but we've never made anything like this one. And we've never put this much work into one flavor of jerky. Let me show you. We knew we wanted to use our Carolina Reaper beef jerky as the base, but to be the world's hottest, it needs cranked up a few notches. So we took whole Carolina Reaper peppers, dried them out, and then pulverized them into powder. This is where things start to get a little wild. We then acquired this Doc Brown looking glass contraption that separated all of the oils out of that powder, where all of the flavor and the heat in the Carolina Reaper lives. It's a very labor-intensive and science-y process that I don't even pretend to know. I'm not a doctor. But here's what I can tell you. It took this process and over 100 Carolina Reapers to make this much Carolina Reaper sludge. That's my non-science-y name for it. So this sludge, plus this Carolina Reaper beef jerky, makes the world's hottest beef jerky 2024 edition. I'm telling you guys, this one's not to be played with. In fact, some of the early version samples of this were so hot that we truly dialed it back just for this version. Trust me when I tell you, you do not need more than one piece of this jerky. In fact, that's exactly what you're getting. Do not be fooled by the size of this jerky. There's more heat in this one piece of jerky than in as many bags of Carolina Reaper as I can hold. When I tell you it's concentrated flavor and heat, it's concentrated flavor and heat. So a few words of caution. 1, always wear the provided rubber gloves when handling this. 2, make sure you wash your hands and mouth thoroughly when you're done. You don't want those oils spreading around, especially to certain orifices. And 3, start with a very small nibble and give it a few minutes to kick in. Then after that, increase your nibble size accordingly. The biggest mistake I see people do with this is they'll take a little nibble and after 10 seconds say, oh, this isn't very bad, and then throw the whole piece in. That will leave you serious regret. I'm telling you, this one's different. Treat it as such. As usual, every bag comes with a challenge accepted coin, and you'll get a card for your free challenge defeated coin if you defeat it. And the first 100 people that get in on the drop are gonna get the black gold special edition coin. So don't miss the drop. This is gonna be a fun drop, and everybody here has put a ton of work into this. It's been a long wait. I hope you're ready.